case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1988, the United States Court of Appeals heard the case of Budge Manufacturing Co, which revolved around the company's attempt to trademark LOVEE LAMB for synthetic fabric automotive seat covers. The United States Trademark Trial and Appeal Board denied their application because of the deceptive nature of the term lamb under the Lanham Act. Budge appealed the decision, but the court upheld the board's ruling, agreeing that the term lamb could mislead consumers into thinking the covers were made of natural lambskin. The three-part test established by the board to determine deceptive matter under the Lanham Act was cited by the court. This test considers whether a term is misdescriptive in relation to the product, whether the misrepresentation is believable, and whether it would impact a buyer's decision. Ultimately, the court held that Budge's use of lamb on synthetic seat covers was deceptive, and upheld the board's decision, ruling that the LOVEE LAMB trademark couldn't be registered.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class